Welcome to Wind Energy Career Guides. I'm R. Mahendran. In this video, we are going to learn approved wind turbine manufacturers in India, how you can access these details continuously, the latest list launched by MNRE, how you can use these details in your daily routines. End of the video, I will also share you two important gifts that will help you to improve your knowledge continuously in wind energy sector. Let us start. Hi, welcome back to Wind Energy Career Guides. Once again, I thank every one of you part of the wind energy sector and the engineers who are interested to learn wind energy sector, people who are interested to join wind energy sector, whoever part of wind energy sector and renewable energy sector who is contributing to the sustainable development of the world. Thank you every one of you. Today we are going to learn very important thing. As I said, it's a wind energy approved wind turbine manufacturers in India. This is what we are going to learn in this session. Also, address and contact details you will learn from this session. Also, you will learn how you can download this new MNRE list. Like every time MNRE publishing the new list of wind turbine manufacturers who are approved within India, those lists how you can download. That's what after that I will also share what we are going to learn in the next. Finally, I will share about the gift which will help you to continuously improve your knowledge. So, like many of you interested to know who are all approved in India to operate or sell their turbine. And second important thing, you might be interested to what are the turbine models and available and everything. Really, we want to look into the, especially if you are part of wind energy sector, that is very important need for us every time. So in this video, I'm going to share you like mainly the manufacturers and their address from when they are operating. In another video, we will learn more about how you can different kind of specification available and variation. Those analysis I will share in the separate video. But once you learn how to download, you can also do this analysis. But for the people who are interested to learn in detail, I will also share those information in the coming video. Okay, now let us see the number of turbine manufacturers as of now in India, but as per the latest list. Okay, this list is launched this mid of August. The latest information which is available for you to access. I will also share you end of the video. Totally, you can say in India as of now approved wind turbine manufacturers totally 13 members are there. You can this is the 13 companies are now approved available, and you can say considerable variant in the spec means turbine variation. They have totally we can have 30 number of spec variations also available. Let us see one by one like Envision Wind Power Technology India Private Limited. They are operating from Bangalore. Okay, they are operating from 2016. So this is one, and then GE Wind Power, GE India Industrial Private Limited operating from 2009. Like we are joint venture and all those details we will see afterwards. Now from 2009 they are operating. Suslan, from 1995 they are operating, and you can see their operation location. Also, Suslan have three variations. Vestas, they are operating Vestas wind turbine wind technology India Private Limited from 2006 they are operating. They also have the multiple variants. Inox operating from 2009. Vestas operating from Chennai. Inox operating from Noida, UP, and then they are operating from 2009. Senvian Wind Technology Private Limited operating from 2017. Okay, they are operating from Mumbai. Their main office is Mumbai. Senvian Wind Technology. These details as per the document published by MNRE. Okay, whatever they have other details and multiple operational location, all those details you can access from their website itself. So Senvian Wind Technology 2017. Shiva Wind Turbine Private Limited operating from 2005. Okay, so now Siemens Gamesa. Next is 2000. They are operating from 2006. Siemens Gamesa Renewable Power Private Limited from Chennai. They are operating from Chennai and multiple locations. Yes, site-wise they have multiple locations. All companies, but the corporate office is here. And then we can see like Siemens Gamesa also multiple variants. PASL Wind Solutions Private Limited, from 2008 they are operating. Nordex India Private Limited, operating from 2018. And finally, we have Pioneer Windcon Energy System Private Limited, operating from 2018. And they also have 3 variants. Okay, 2 more organizations are there. Emergia Wind Turbine Private Limited, operating from 2018. They are also from Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu. I am sorry, I forgot to say. Pioneer also from Chennai. And Nordex is operating from Bangalore. Okay, so now finally, Southern Wind Farms Limited, they are operating from 2006. Location is Chennai. So this is the basic information I like to share, because rest of the things you can download and analyze. And the next video I will also share the detailed thing about how they are like what are the different type of turbine models and variants, what is the capacity, what is the tower height they have, rotor diameter, different kind of towers they are using, and what are the certifications, type certification completed, or what are the pending things, and ISO certification details, everything. All things are available in this document, but I will make another video in that. But in this video, I will share one more detail which will help you by yourself. You can access at any time, so that you no need to depend on me every time, because I will update and at a particular time interval. But whenever you want, you can access. That is the main reason I'm going to share with you this detail. Okay, let us see how to download this data. Okay, so you can go to your browser. Just 1 second. Go to your browser and then search by typing MNRE in the Google search. You can make it. Then if you click MNRE, you will get you will be landing in this page, mnre.gov.in. That is the MNRE website, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Now you go to this menu bar in the top left corner. Okay, always this advertisement will come. Okay, so here you can choose wind. Here you can select manufacturing. That's it. Very simple. I will also share this particular link in the first command, so that you can use it whenever you need it. Okay, so once you come here, like first list, wind turbine models included in the RLM after declaration of the new procedure as per the 1st November 2018. So latest list, this was the mid of August we received. So you can go here, just to click this XLS format, you can download directly, or you can download as a PDF also. I prefer to download in Excel. If you want to make a printout, you can download it in the PDF format also. So once you download, you will see like this only. Okay, I will show you how it look like. Then we can 1 second, I will show how it is look like once it is downloaded. Actually, I process the data just for presenting in better way. So the downloaded sheet will be look like this. Okay, so Ministry of New and Renewable, Government of India. Let me zoom in so that you can also read. So it has information, manufacturing company with contact detail, the date of the incorporation and license, and what is the collaboration they have, model name and rotor diameter, hub height, tower type, capacity, type certification, and manufacturing system validity. All the information is available with the validation date. Even the certification also you can download. So this is great information for all of us, especially if you are part of wind energy sector. So you can use this detail, and anytime you can like share with any of your colleague who might need these details, and really they will thank you. Okay, so after this, like we learn what and how and where you will get these details. The next important thing is like now you know how to download. Yes, right? Next, what is next? That's what I will share with you. The next video, I probably planning many things in queue, but one of the very interesting thing, like we need to add something related to wind. So next 2 things in queue, like this approved double digit model analysis, I will share one separate video. Other than that, wind trend in Tamil Nadu, first I am going to start. 10 different locations we will take and download the data. Then I will share with you how the year-on-year variations, and it will be shared as a 10 different videos so that it will be helpful for you also. You can understand. This is next plan. And the gifts, two gifts, as I said, the gifts are always who don't want gift? Everyone want the gift. So in this, I'm going to share two important gifts. Both will help you to improve your knowledge and always continuously help you to learn within wind energy sector. Also, it is going to help you to build a sustainable career growth. Just to remember, we have as of now 13 approved wind turbine manufacturers. Actually, last list we have 14 numbers. One is missing. Who is that? You can find it like by searching. Okay, so now the gifts for you. Okay, so if you are connected, you are going to get the gift as I. So two gifts, as I said, the gift number one is like to develop your knowledge continuously. The gift two is like you can ask any question to me so that I can share the answer, like wind energy related. I will share you the two important information that will help you. Okay, so as I said, so here like you can see the quiz program, how you can get involved in quiz. You will get the real prizes also. For this, visit our website sustainablelifestylehub.com RE quiz renewable energy quizzes. Then you can also have this link which you can use it for the for 1 second. I will also copy this link. Okay, copied it. So now we can see what is available here so that you can also understand how you can use them. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so now we are here. At any given time, you can just Google it or sustainablelifestylehub.com. If you reach here, then you will get the RE quiz. Here it is in the top of our website. So here everything explained. Already 3 quizzes launched. You can take the quizzes and who can attend, what you will get, how it will be work, and everything is here. You can learn it. If you want to sign up, you can sign up to our update also. If you want to ask any question related to wind energy sector, and you can use this priority questions link. If you click, automatically you will be taken to the Google form where you can fill it out and you can ask the questions related to wind energy sector. I will share the how it look. I will also show how it look and how you can use it. Case studies. Okay, here first technology related learning. Quiz number 1, quiz 2. It is like some case study given. You can do it and complete and share with me. That also we can share it afterwards in our YouTube channel. And RE quiz 3 is focusing on the wind energy basics, so you can develop different knowledges. Like we have developed already more than 500 plus questions, so you can continuously learn and improve your knowledge. So if you have any questions to ask, this form, like a priority questions form, will be helpful. Like you can directly ask the questions. I listed out almost some 25 topics which I'm aware, means I have the experience and long knowledge which I can share with you. So you can ask questions related to this particular topics. Your name and email ID only to communicate with you, like any updates related to this. Nothing else will be communicated to you. Anything interested to learn, you need to connect to us. Okay, I don't want like force you to or send any information. Only the update related to any questions you asked. If we make the video related to that, that will reach you. Okay, then you can ask 5 questions at a time. If you want to ask more questions, use the same link again and again. You can ask more questions related to these topics. If you ask out of these topics, then I will also connect with the people who are expert in this field. Then I can get answer for you. That is the idea. I hope today video helpful for you, and you can share with the people who are interested to learn continuously in the wind energy sector. And I will see you in the next video with more information. And see you. Thank you for joining and learning continuously. We will meet with very important information which will help you to build a sustainable career for you, sustainable life for you, and sustainable life for your family. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.